The following tutorial describes the new custom order form to submit orders to your lab. Let's begin. We know that not every case fits neatly into a predefined template. Some customers want to send orders without minimal instruction, others need to combine multiple indications, and some simply prefer to describe their case in their own words, especially when they've worked with the same lab for years. The custom order form gives them that flexibility. It allows users to place an order using free text without being locked into a specific structure. Whether they're sending a simple case or a complex one, like an abutment and crown combination, this form supports it. And here's the key: there are no mandatory fields. That means users can fast forward through the process and send the order straight to their lab with minimal input. Let's walk through how it works. Select Custom Order from the service list. The form opens with all fields optional. A category can be chosen from a drop-down, such as restoration or implantology, which helps organize the order list later. A procedure type can be entered to describe what the case includes. This label appears in the order overview and makes it easier to identify cases, especially when multiple orders exist for the same patient. Specific teeth can be marked using the locator tool if needed. Additional instructions can be added in a free text field. From there, the scan is already attached, and they can add additional files if needed. Select Preferred Lab, and all that's left is to choose a return date. And with that, we submit the case to our preferred lab. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about Nudi's core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.